Welcome students. So this video is for class 5 social science. So today we'll start with a new chapter, that is land of ice and snow. So today we'll be experiencing some icy cold weather of Arctic region, and we'll understand more clearly with the help of a country called Greenland, right? So Greenland is a world largest island country of the world. Okay, it's not a continent, it's a country, and it is a self-governing province of Denmark. Its capital is Nuuk, and previously it was called as Gotham. Okay, got it. So the first person who has visited this country was Eric the Great. Okay, he was called as Eric the Great, and he himself has given the name of this country, right? So if you see the land, then out of 100, 80% of this land has been covered by the snow. So that's why you're going to find very less population in this country, right? So only in the southwestern coast of this country, that is this region, okay, southwest country of this region, you're going to find the population, right? As this area is a little bit warmer as compared to the other region. So there you're going to find two more important cities, that is Sisumits and the Ilasmitsat. Okay, so these are the two important cities you're going to find in this area, right? So if you talk about the climate, then as we know that it's been covered by the snow throughout the year, so it's very extremely cold in this region, right? So here the summer is experienced for a very short period, and you're going to experience winter for a long period. Here the temperature reaches, okay, it varies. In summer the temperature will be 5 degrees Celsius, and in winter it reaches to minus 23 degrees Celsius. So it's very cold in winter, and 5 degrees Celsius is not too hot also, right? So then here in this area a very severe cold wind also blows in this area, okay, and this country also experience your midnight sun, okay. That is for 6 months there will be totally day, and or for 6 months it will be totally night, okay. So it's very what to say, amazing country, amazing land, isn't it? So then if you see about the vegetations, then vegetation in this country is very sparse, okay, very less, okay. You're not going to find any trees, any kind of vegetation. Only some plants are being covered the regions, that is also only in summer, okay, got it. So some plants like your mosses, lichens, canberries are going to find in this area, okay. That is also a very short period, right? So that is about the vegetation now, okay, got it. So but if you see the wildlife, then though the country is very they don't have vegetation, okay, they experience very cold weather throughout. Though this country is very poor in natural vegetation, but it's rich in wildlife, okay. So some of the important animals you're going to find in this country is your reindeer, polar bear, Arctic fox, huskies. So huskies are a wolf-like dog, okay, and these animals are used for pulling the sledge, right? So apart from this, you're going to find some seabirds also, and this area is also rich in aquatic life, okay, and you're going to find whales, sea, salmon, cod, etc. in this country. And now if you see the economy, then most of these countries, they have settled down the industries, and industries are based on fishing, okay. They have practicing fishing and all, and they are also practicing some agriculture and sheep rearing also. This area is also rich in minerals. So some of the important minerals you're going to find in this region is your zinc and lead, and this minerals are being exported to the other countries, right? So now if you talk about the life of a people, then your Eskimos are the original people, original inhabitants living in this country, and they themselves called as Inuits. So these people are the hunterers and all, okay. They are nomadic people. Nomadic means the people who travel from one place to another, right? So they don't have a permanent houses, isn't it? So that's why they have made a igloo, which is a temporary house, okay, which seems like a dome shaped, and it's made of ice, right? So most of these people, they prefer to wear a warm clothes made out of animal furs. It is called as parka. So since they are a hunter, they love hunting and all, okay. So they have used various weapons for hunting, like this one is your harpoons. So mostly this weapon is used for hunting animals, and they also used kairas for hunting fish, right? So now if you see there's a further development, further kind of upgrade, okay, you're going to find in this country. So mostly the people, the population is only 5,600 people living in this country. So slowly they have started to upgrade themselves, right? So there is a changes in their lifestyle. So now they are no more nomadic, okay, they have settled down in a permanent house which is made of wood. They are no more hunters, they started to work in towns and all, okay. Plus they are using a motorized sleighs instead of sleighs which was being pulled by the huskies. And now even they've started to send their children to the school, right, to be educated. So that's all about the Greenland. So I have given the home assignment, hope you're going to solve it. Thank you.